First, the Election Commission should act against all complaints. Mr. Verma's complaints, where those envelopes were found, that should have also been gone into. B, there is a difference between poisoned water and poisonous water. Is the water poisonous? Yes, it is. Is it poisoned? That has to be substantiated, and that is why the Election Commission has intervened. Please draw a parallel between both. You cannot blame an entire state for poisoning water. However, you cannot blame an entire state for a registration number plate also. So let's not go into hypothetical situations, and when it comes to the registration number, if it does not match the vehicle, the car has a chassis number, it has an engine number, and it can be very easily verified who that car belongs to, what are their political affiliations, and whether money is being distributed or not. However, all political parties, irrespective of whether in power, not in power, have to be investigated.
Okay, the charge that is being leveled time and again is the shoot and scoot politics. The Election Commission, Ms. Menon, did ask the Delhi electoral officers to probe these complaints that were filed by the AAP against the BJP leader Pravesh Verma. Now, Imran is saying that the Aam Aadmi Party should submit proof for the claim that they made earlier, which is of mass genocide. Pollution in water and deliberately polluting water are two different things.
We have submitted the proof
that this is mass genocide, that there was an attempt to commit mass genocide.
Wait 1 minute. Can I speak now?
Yes, absolutely.
Arvind Kejriwal has already submitted an entire letter with all the details regarding the ppm level, which has suddenly gone up from January 14th. It's also there in the body of the letter that the CEO of Delhi said. While she tried to draft a letter to appease the BJP and blame Aam Aadmi Party, she had to put facts on record. It's 6.5 ppm.
Ms.
And
Menon,
this has
the
happened
Election
over the
Commission
last
has
2 weeks.
again given a new
Only
deadline.
between Jan 14
The
and
Election
Jan
Commission is
28,
now
the
saying
quota has changed.
submit proof. EC says there's no proof in it. Submit proof. There's a new deadline that has been given.
We have already submitted proof. I want to know whether the people on this panel, especially the gentleman who calls everybody diabolical, will like to drink that water. I can send it across to him today. Delhi police stopped us from even giving the water. We were sending a bottle to Amit Shah.
Sudhir wants to come in.
A bottle to CM of
Sudhir wants to come in.
We can even send it to the gentleman who calls people diabolical.
Abhishek, Sudhir wants to come in. You want a response from the gentleman? He is giving you a response.
Okay. Now give me a chance to respond. As the Congress political analyst made it clear, there's a difference between water being polluted and the water being poisoned. As a lawyer, I would like to explain to the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson, an act of poisoning water is a criminal offense. If you're alleging somebody is poisoning the water, you must provide proof. Who poisoned it? Where did they poison it? How did they poison it? Basically, you are not provided proof, and you will not be able to provide proof tomorrow. So face the consequences. If I am not able to drink the Yamuna water without it being filtered, Ms. Menon, it is your fault, your party's fault. You have formed the government 3 times in Delhi. Arvind Kejriwal promised to drink the water and bathe in the Yamuna, and he hasn't done so. That is a failure of Arvind Kejriwal.
Mr. Mishra, the allegation is that there was a deliberate attempt by the Haryana government, which belongs to the Bharatiya Janata Party, to poison the water, and after the Aam Aadmi Party raked the issue. देखिए कैसे अमोनिया का लेवल कम हो गया. कौन सा पॉइजन है वो नहीं बताएंगे. डेलिबरेट अटेम्प्ट का प्रूफ भी अभी तक नहीं है, लेकिन जैसे ही इस मुद्दे को उठाया गया, the ammonia level came down. And then there were some bottles displayed at the press conference. One for Virendra Sachdeva, one for Amit Shah. And the question is, will you drink that water? आप पिएंगे क्या?
स्वाति, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी जब आए थे राजनीति में तो उन्होंने कहा था कि वो देश की राजनीति को बदलने आए हैं, और उन्होंने बिल्कुल अपने कैरेक्टर में एकदम बदलने वाली राजनीति दी है. बिल्कुल गिरगिट की तरह रंग बदलते हैं. जब से ये राजनीति में आए हैं तब से लेकर आज तक केवल रंग बदलते रहे हैं, और ये हमेशा से झूठ बोलते रहे हैं. एक झूठ बोलते हैं, आरोप लगाते हैं, भाग जाते हैं, आरोप लगाते हैं, भाग जाते हैं. जाने कितनी बार लिखित में माफी मांग चुके हैं, और अभी भी इलेक्शन कमीशन ने कल 11 बजे तक का टाइम दिया है कि ये प्रूफ सबमिट करें, और उन्हें मालूम है कि उनके पास प्रूफ नहीं है. इसलिए आज उनका स्टेटमेंट क्या आता है, मैं जानता हूं मुझे 2 दिन में अरेस्ट कर लेंगे. अरे भाई, आप चोरी करेंगे, झूठ बोलेंगे, फॉल्स एलिगेशन लगाएंगे, क्राइम करेंगे, और उसके बाद आप सोचेंगे कि सारी एजेंसीज शांति से बैठी रहें. तो यही अरविंद केजरीवाल का रियल कैरेक्टर है, और ऐसा ही
The allegation is, the charges की agencies biased है, agencies दबाव में काम कर रही है. But this shoot and scoot politics or this cash for votes conspiracy, or whether it's this war over pollution in Yamuna, all of this, all of these issues, a lot is happening in the Delhi dangal which is heating up. Ye kisko fayda pahunchayenge? That remains to be seen. Thank you very much, gentlemen, and Preeti Menon for joining us.